could start your attack with. That's with a simple gross motor slap. You can slap with this part of the hand, or if you want to correct, because this I would choose and use as a knockout. If I want to correct somebody, I want to use this part. What you want to do now, not only arm movement, what I explained to you in the basics, is that you want to rotate and have that natural jump. So if I just do and just rotate, I'm not generating that much of an impact. I want to step through the target. So the target line is here. So my lateral jump has to be into that direction. So I'm not only hitting with the arm, I will hit while I jump through him. Yes, this is the biggest way you can give a slap. Yes, they can see it coming, but at one point, if you installed it like this, there's now a possibility that you can make it smaller. My body mechanics are still there, so now I can work from the box of my shoulders and still generate a knockout shot from closer range. You can choose to keep your hand strong, or you can choose, if you can do this under the real fight stress, to have a relaxed hand and use more whipping motion. I have difficulty for real to do that relaxed state, so I always have the feeling to tense up if I need it. Just goes automatically because I use this when I am in anger. So I want to rotate and I want to jump towards the side. I will first do this from the fence structure. I'll open up, what's wrong? What did I do? Ask him a question before you strike him. That gets him out of the predatory state for a split second in time. And remember, we only use this if you can avoid escape and de-escalate. So pure the technical things behind this is going to be from this position to relax, relax. Yes, the power goes through the target. Also understand, you want to use the principle of elastic energy. Elastic energy is when you touch the surface and you retract as fast as you can, like an elastic band would do. Elastic energy you need for the slap. You want to get it on the target, in this case it's going to be here and travel on the target for a split second. Yes, that's how you stay on target, generate a different kind of impact than just a snappy impact, for example, for the palm strike or for a punch. So travel on the target for a split second. It's like a piece of hard plastic you throw against the wall, sticks on the wall for a second and drops off. Elastic band goes back. So plastic energy. What's up? So the point of this is, ask him a question. You fuck and better not interrupt with him. Because remember, he chooses you as victim, you try to de-escalate, sometimes not possible. Use the lateral step, rotation, but also the drop step you trained in the basics. You can choose to make this relaxed or stiff. The target you want to aim for, literally everything in the side of the neck, jaw, maybe temple. The good stuff about this is you need less aiming. Just hit him on the fucking head. The objective is to shake his brain inside of the skull, what is in cerebral spinal fluid, when it's bouncing inside of the skull, especially when you create a torque with a slap or an elbow, is the best way to make the brain shake and bounce inside. Your autonomic or your nervous system would say knockout, because they want to prevent further damage. Yes. So